Pambiliño.
Là, on a le petit atelier école. Il y a beaucoup d'écoles ici.
Woohoo! Vamos. Alright, welcome to our house. So this is our fireplace. Every few days we start to get some fire up. It's good to keep the insects, mosquitoes especially, away at night time, and also to keep the house dry, because obviously you can see the entire house built by woods and bamboos. And because we're in a tropical forest, a cloud forest, the humidity here is very, very high. It's hard to keep things dry all the time, so it's always good to start a fire. Good idea. And now let's go into the house and have a look. These are the kitchen, a mini living room overlooking the garden, the fireplace. The kitchen, dining area. And obviously we have the best spot to chill. Lay on the hammock, do some reading, just chill. Perfect spot. And then we continue up to the second level. That one over there is the bathroom and toilet. I'll show you guys in a minute. Here we have that's the Oliver's workstation and study room, and his kids playing ground. From here leads to the kids' room and the master bedroom, but I don't go there. And then the top floor is where I've been staying for the past 2 weeks, and Charlene. We built a tent probably just a few days ago because we were sleeping in just a bed and with the mosquito net, but it didn't work too well because we got too much mosquito, the mini mosquito, and they managed to get inside the net, and it's just terrible. We couldn't get a good sleep. And then there you go, that's the best spot, overlooking the beautiful forest. He wakes up to this every morning, but every morning, early in the morning, probably before 7 o'clock, they're always very cloudy. Today weather is pretty good, can see everything. Normally the sun rise about 6:30, and that's it. Now the best spot in the house, the open air, fully open bathroom and toilet. Over here we have the laundry area. And here we have the open air bathroom shower. Show you guys the view we got when we're taking a shower. Perfect view, and we get lots of colibris that hang around here every morning. And the dry the dry toilet. Obviously at the bottom here, the compartment is where I keep all the human waste with the compost, mixed with the compost, and then when the bucket is full, it goes to the human waste hut over there, which I've already explained on the other video, how to process the human waste with the compost and turn them into fertilizer. Hola! So this is the human waste hut. This morning we have successfully disassembled the greenhouse on the other side, and then now we're here just try to tidy up the hut, and Charlene is doing a great job organizing everything here. And let me just give you a bit of rundown what's happening here. We have lots of woodworks going on, and obviously these are the real deal. They are the human waste mixed with the compost straight out of the toilet somewhere. No, I can't see it, but I'll show you guys later. So what happened is all the human waste with the compost are to be dried in this hut for about 3 to 4 months. I think around 4 months. Wait till it completely dried, and then they can be turned into fertilizer. So nothing goes to waste. And as you can see, all the bags are properly dated so they know when they can start working on the waste. So it's perfect. Everything recycled, nothing goes to waste. Tiny spoons. And a big forest, more like a farm full of fruits, plants, coffee, banana. Oh wow. So we found a salad plant. So this is a salad plant from Asia. So obviously the finca's owner Oliver got this from the friend, and he started planting them in this farm. So
Is this, huh?
there you go, salad, or they call it the snake skin fruits from Asia. Forest of banana. And coffee, is it? Heaps of coffee, isn't it? Oh, the banana trees are very tall. This is more like plantain trees. Platanos.
You know what is that? This fruit?
No, see. Let's get closer.
Oh,
Look.
papaya.
That. And of course,
Like papaya.
lots of coffee plants everywhere.